Hello, ma'am. Today I am going to perform folding skirts, shirt, pants, bed sheets, and bath towel. Folding shirt. 1. Prepared the needed materials, short sleeve shirt and folding table. 2. Laid the shirt backside of the shirt facing up. 3. Folded the left side to the center of the shirt. 4. Folded the left sleeve back away from the center of the shirt. 5. Folded the right side to the center of the shirt. 6. Folded the right sleeve back away from the center. 7. Folded the bottom up 1/3 of the way. 8. Folded the rest up until the collar is reached. 9. Flipped the shirt over with the front side now on top. 10. Piled with the rest of the shirt. Folding pants. 1. Prepared the needed materials, long pants and folding table. 2. Laid the pants flat horizontally on the table with front side of the pants facing up. 3. Buttoned the pants. 4. Clasped the pants with the front side on top of each other. 5. Folded the pants booty seam facing up. 6. Folded the pants them in half long ways in a hard surface while holding the booty seam. 7. Folded again half long way until 1 inch below the waist. 8. Flipped it over that the pockets or back side of the folded pants is up. 10. Piled with the rest of the pants. Folding bed sheets. 1. Prepared the needed materials, bed sheets and folding table. 2. Laid the bed sheets flat horizontally on the table with front side of the bed sheet facing up. 3. Slip one hand on one corner. 4. Using the other hand, slipped the adjacent corner over the first corner with the right side of the sheet facing out. Wrong sides together. Use the seams to line the corners up neatly. 5. Slipped the other two corners together on the same manner and then slipped them on top of the first two corners. 6. Left hand in the corners and using the other hand fold the sides over and lay the sheet down. 7. Straighten the folded edges out so that the sheet makes a neat rectangle. 8. Piled with the rest of the bed sheets. Folding bath towels. 1. Prepared the needed materials, bath towels and folding table. 2. Laid the bath towel flat on the table. 3. Folded one long side towards the middle of the bath towel. 4. Folded the other long side towards middle, meeting the edge of the first long side in the middle. 5. Folded the other small end towards the middle of the folded bath towel. 6. Folded the small end towards the middle of the folded bath towel. 7. Picked up one end and folded over the other. 8. Piled with the rest of the bath towels.